This is my new foldable mouse. So I saw an ad for this and it's made by this company called myair.0. I don't know. But when I found out it was $75, I was like, yo.
This video got 15 million views. And that's the reason I started my video with this video, because I'm sure you are still curious to know about what's going on in this video. And if you knew exactly why I started my video with this video, you will not make the mistakes that I made yesterday and basically lost the opportunity to make tons of money. Instead, I made mistakes and I earned only $45 in affiliate commission from one account of just one platform. That's horrible. I can't even buy a 1990 Toyota with this money. Forget about Bugatti. What color is your Bugatti? For those who haven't made your first dollar yet, this might be something good. But for those who understand, $45 in one day means only $1,350 in 1 month. That is horrible. Mosh, you wrote in your bio that you made $10 million online? Numbers are not adding up, my friend. In this video, I'm going to show you what mistakes I made. And I'll show you what I should have done so you can do things right and make money like this from the same platform. $250,000 from one account on one platform just by selling our own products. And we paid $121,104 in affiliate commissions to our affiliates for promoting our products. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success, but we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. So what went wrong? And why am I secretly still excited about this result? Before I begin, this is the solution to the problem. And this was also the creator of my problem. This is a software called Valet. And this software can create videos that I personally create. And with these kind of videos, I personally got over 500,000 followers across all social media accounts. This software helps you create reaction videos. All my short form videos are some kind of reaction videos. This reaction video got 1.5 million views. I posted the same video again, 5,667 views. I posted again, 11,000 views. Posted again, 59,000 views. Posted again, 4,700 views. Again, 9,600 views. Again, 5,300 views. 4,400 views. Probably I posted the same video over 35 times. And every time, the same exact video got us hundreds of thousands of views and hundreds of followers. All those videos are reaction videos. I can go on and show you tons and tons of reaction videos that went viral and they got us results over and over again. Why it's important and why am I excited about this failure? Because to you, it is only $22 commission. But for me, every single visitor that clicked my affiliate link made me $4.50, which means if I could have sent 5,000 visitors, I would have made $22,000. Does that make sense now? Oh, Mosh, you are bluffing. Who can send 22,000 visitors? Apparently, my affiliates. A lot of my affiliates. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts where we paid $74,000 in affiliate commission to one affiliate, and that affiliate sent 179,578 visitors to the offer. Another affiliate sent 51,000 visitors and made $44,000. And I can go on and show you thousands of affiliates results. So what mistake did I make yesterday for which I got only 10 clicks and only 5 visitors. This video, Habibi, the first video, I did not start this video the right way, and I did not say what my audience wanted to hear. This is the video. In the whole video, I shared step by step how I make these reaction videos, how they can be helpful, and how you can make reaction videos without going through the painful process that I go through, and shortcut your way to results using this software. And this software is a paid software. Look at this. Basically, this sales page will try to convince you to buy it. And the moment people found that this is something about a paid software, they just left. So most people did not watch the video for a long time, and I got only 112 views compared to other videos that get 2 times, 3 times, even 5 times views. Why are views important? Because these views are real people. Some of those viewers will click your link because they're interested, and some of them will buy from you and you will earn passive commission. Yeah, it is passive commission because all I have done was record my session of testing the software, and I made this video in a way that it can work as a training video. So I can even sell the video as a training video. So what did we learn from this so far? It's important to get visitors to make sales and make money. In order to get visitors, you can make simple videos like how a software works. But if your video is boring, it's more technical, and it shows a paid element, no matter what you offer as a bonus, which was my own prompt that I used to create these reaction videos, the freebie seekers or the tire kickers will not buy. Forget about tire kickers. Some people will not like the topic anyway. So what's the solution? The solution is make interesting videos. Make reaction videos or make creative videos. Do whatever you want. Make sure it's interesting. And that's the reason I started today's video with this video. Although it is totally irrelevant, this video got 15 million views. So it has those curious elements. So you kept watching, and up until now, you're still watching. Now, I'm not going to take the risk of showing this website or how this software works. If you want to shortcut your life, get results like mine, you can find the link to this software in the description. From one single video made by this software can make you 10 times more money or 100 times more money that you invest to purchase this application. That's it. If you want to know in details how it works, then watch this video, just 14 minutes, and you will learn everything. Let me show you how we make reaction videos, which are basically using other people's content using AI. We will take this video as an example. First, I'm going to put my secret prompt on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is asking for the transcript, my audience, and my goal. I'm gonna click enter, and that's it. Now, ChatGPT is writing in details what type of reaction videos can be made from this video in order to achieve my goal from my audience. And it gives me suggestion which 2 types of reactions will fit the best to achieve my goal. It also tells me which ones are the easiest and the funniest to make. That are number 1 and number 5. Now, which type of reaction video would you prefer to make? I'm gonna have a look here, and the suggestions are great. Look at the first suggestion. The type of reaction can be disbelief and value lesson. The emotion will be surprised and teaching. Why this works? Because I will show how people waste $75 on gadgets but can start a business instead. And then I will offer my 99% done for you program as a solution. The number 3 is relatable struggle. The shock type will be frustration and hope. Why this works? You connect emotionally. You will say, we have all been there, buying shiny things instead of investing in freedom. You see? I am reacting on something that's totally irrelevant, but instead of wasting time watching or making fun or laugh or surprise, I will add value and give my audience the right direction. So this one single secret prompt thinks for me. So I do not have to think and find out what type of reaction I need to make. And now it's asking me which type of reaction video would you prefer? I would say just 2 and hit enter. And look at the magic. Now the whole reaction video plan in a table. In which seconds, what should I do? What should I say? And what should be my expression and tone? All the different timestamps. What should I do at that time? And what should I say in those times? And I offered this secret prompt if anyone decides to purchase this software using my link. Wasn't this amazing? It was amazing. But you know, yesterday's video was not an interesting reaction video. So people did not get the entertainment part, and that's why they left. I don't blame them. But I will blame you if you don't learn anything from this video at all. Now tell me, why am I excited? Please take note, and if you don't understand this and you don't use this, you will be blamed. Not only me, your future self will blame you for not learning this and not taking action. I know why I got less visitors. I needed to make my video more entertaining, more interesting. People would watch more, algorithms will send more viewers will become more visitors to my offer, and here we go. Look at this. Every visitor equals $4.50. So if I could get 100 visitors, I would have made how much? $4,450. I truly hope I could make a point, my friends. Buying a software, whether it is from me or not from me, it's not important. What's important is understanding the value. If you think you can do it all by yourself, creating this kind of AI prompt that thinks for you and that works for you, making viral reaction videos that make money for you without breaking a sweat. In fact, I shoot a viral reaction video in just 10 minutes. Then take action. Do it. They work. Guaranteed. Get those thousands of visitors to your affiliate links and earn these commissions. But if you don't have time and you are not tech savvy, then buy this software from the link in the description. Come to this page, click any of these buttons, and then choose your package. For 10 video creations, you will pay $47. For 25 video creations, you'll pay $49. One video goes viral can make you 10 times or even 100 times more money. Just make sure once you click on this page, you will have more options. Choose these options based on your want and need, and make sure right here at the bottom it says you have been referred by Mosh Bari, and the number here is 2183. These will guarantee that you will get my bonus. If you don't see this and you see something else, you will not get my bonus, because that will not be my affiliate link. If you see this, that will be my affiliate link, and you will get the bonus automatically with the purchase receipt. Now, if all this sounds like a lot of work, you can always choose the 99% done for you system. This is a training video. Click the link in my description or in the bio or in the first comment and watch this full video from start to end. This will tell you everything about what we do and how we help the beginner students, the beginner members of our Done For You program. And if you go to my Instagram account and check the highlights, you will see real people who made money from our program. This is Shaun Qayyum. He's from Bangladesh and he lives in US right now. He made multiple $500 commission. This is Amrin from Pakistan living in UAE, and she made many $500 commissions. This is Salma from Belgium. She made her investment back within 6 to 7 weeks. This is Anna living in UK. She made multiple $500 commissions. I can literally go on and on, show you tons and tons of results from the members of our program. Now, this is not a get rich quick scheme. These results are not typical. Your results may be faster or maybe a little slower based on your action and our support. After watching this training, if you have questions, ask this AI chat agent. It will answer just like myself. But if you want to speak to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook Messenger, I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Link to this training video is in the description. Go watch it right now. I hope this video will get some more views, because I really tried to give you the information that works for me and works for my students. And alhamdulillah, we are making, alhamdulillah, good money. If you think we have done a great job, please like this video, share with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that and switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you in the next video.